Exciting news from you this year. You're going to go on a sheep hunt. It's been a few, huh?
Apparently, yeah, apparently I actually have to go do some hunting. I feel
Yeah.
like I've been a poser for the last 2 years because it's been 2 years since I went. I didn't go 23 and 24. I had good
Yeah.
reason to not go in 23. 24 was just not being able to get away from work. But yeah, pretty stoked. Myself, Jackson, and my friend Ben, we're gonna fly out on the 31st and do some armed hiking and some armed
Armed.
camping.